Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zoom account for meetings, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type zoom.us and press enter. Once the Zoom homepage loads, find the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your email address associated with your Zoom account. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you want to stay signed in, check the box next to Keep Me Signed In. After entering the credentials, click the blue Sign In button. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via your registered email. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Zoom account dashboard. From here, you can schedule or join meetings. To join a meeting, click on the Join a Meeting option if you're participating in a meeting. Alternatively, if you're hosting, click on My Meetings. Select the meeting you want to host or join. If you're joining, input the meeting ID and your name when prompted. If required, enter the meeting password. Once all details are filled, click the Join button. You may need to wait for the host to start the meeting if you're joining. If you're hosting, you will be prompted to launch the Zoom application. Follow the instructions to start your meeting. Congratulations, you're now logged into your Zoom account and ready for your meetings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.